Hello everyone. In this video guide, I will show you how to make some really fun and spooky bread clips using some pre-designed Halloween temporary tattoos. When using the SVG or XES file, you will notice it's set to cut a full 12 by 12 inch sheet of bread clips. Adjust as needed in case you want to try some scrap material and delete the ones you won't need. You will notice that the first one will have a jig which comes with a scored guideline. This helps when making many at once, but certainly not needed if that's not your case. When it comes to temporary tattoos, you will notice that on Amazon there are hundreds of designs. I would stick to using a 2 by 2 inch type. As you can see here, as long as you align it correctly on the jig, the image should always be centered and straight. You will need a sponge or napkin and some water to apply these, ensuring you take your time dabbing. In some cases, you will see that the paper backing will easily slide off once the image has released. Similar to this example, if you happen to get an image that goes over the skeleton hand or constraints of the clip itself, you can simply rub or scratch off before the temporary tattoo dries. This allows the image to look like it's behind the fingertips for the extra details. Please note that once the temporary tattoo is dried, it's harder to remove. Since this is a bread clip that will likely be used a lot and shoved in a drawer somewhere, an optional step I like to do is add a light layer of clear acrylic sealer. It's completely optional since these temporary tattoos will hold up well without it. Once they are ready, you can use these on some Halloween candy bags or even as a fun bread bag clip. I hope you enjoy making these as much as I enjoy designing this. Don't forget to leave some feedback, and if you found some value in this video guide, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.